so that they can safely do it. But if accidentally hit you, me, or them, say goodbye because until now, there's no antidote to that making poison. So real third have poison on that prey man. Third man, the prey. Yeah, that one. So here, ma'am, sir, they don't shoot animals because their hunting ground is limited. So by this donation box, it is for sustainability of this project. Whatever you want to give, it's a big help for them because at the end of the day, they open it and they give some allowance to buy their needs in Wanduna newly market. So last part, they show you how to create for the mounting using their three materials. Here it is a piece of metal, linstone, and wild cotton. They call blue globe. It is a young shoot of palm, so they call santigan. Santigan means quicken. So the purpose of that cotton is to catch the fire. Okay, one strike. So if the smoke was visible, they transfer it to dry leaves or dry grass. Then they blow until the fire come out. That's how they are survive at the mountain because dati po walang matches and lighters. And yung mga metal po, it is a living proof that Philippines have a barter system before na po. Yeah, they have a gong and sana.
Galing nila, no?
So, at the mountain, ma'am, yung kanilang children 3 to 4 years old, they learn how to create fire using this way po. Para at least yung kanilang tradition, hindi nila nakalimutan. And here din po sa kanilang villages, they use for creating fire po ng ganitong way because according to them, it is the fastest way sa pag-create ng fire.
Galing. Galing, ha? Kasi, galing. Galing. Wala silang posporo.
Okay. So, it is this in the mountain, they call salong or saling. So, one foot of this can last 3 to 5 nights. It depends on how they use it. So, according to them, the smoke of this can away bad luck, bad spirit, and can cure illnesses like stomach ache, headache, and insect repellent. And they use for aromatherapy. So, let's try to smell the smoke. The smoke of this is like incense or incense at the Catholic Church. So, it is a pure sap of wild pili, and they just rub it on that plant map. That's look like a coconut tree. They just called mamaan. So, I will start the back and try to smell the smoke.
Galing.
Here po. No added chemicals, is a pure sap. Incenso. Pero it is a pure sap siya ng wild pili. No added chemicals. Sa souvenir shop. Incense. So, if you want to know more about how it started, we have a lot of information at the back. Then you can drop at a souvenir shop handmade with the tribe. Usually, yung kanilang wood carvings like imbal and the salong or saring. So, at the back of the garden, we have another Palawan souvenirs and delicacies. If you are a coffee lover, you must try the Sibet coffee, the best coffee in town from Cubes of Subincas. And that's all my cultural sharing, ma'am, sir. You can now interact with them and take a pictures. And sa kanilang loving pet, their Burmese python or non-venomous python. And additionally, our official photographer are belong in this livelihood program. They are belongs on they are full-blooded of Palawan. So if you have all the picture, they have a share on that. Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Galing.